Hello friends, welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I am going to show you a best way to uninstall any application from your machine if it is not getting uninstalled. There are a situation when a program won't uninstall normally, or when you have some doubts that a program has not been uninstalled completely. Also, when a program is uninstalled, it left some multiple files which are not removed by standard uninstall process, or there will be some registry entries left, which can cause various issues if not removed. So this happens more frequently than you think. So in that scenario, a very wonderful and free application is there. Uh, the application name is Revo Uninstaller. It is like a replacement for your built-in Windows uninstaller, and it adds some more layer of functionalities which help us to remove all unwanted files which are left and the registry entries from your system. So I will show you how you use that application in this video. So let's get started. So the process is very simple. Let's start by launching an application called Revo Uninstaller. This is a free application which you can download from their official site. We launch this application, and for example, I need to remove the Vinci resolved uninstall, and it will ask you to if you want to make a system restore point. So if you want it, please click on continue. If not, just uncheck and then continue. Okay, now here it will give you an option. So as I told you, there are scenarios when the files of that particular application are corrupted, or so it is better to do the advanced option so that everything, all remnants of the file gets deleted. So we click on advanced, then click on yes. It will ask us, like, it will follow the standard procedure of uninstall. As application is uninstalled, now I will click on scan to see if there is any file or anything that is there needs to be removed. Okay, now it found some registry entries. I click select all, delete, and these are some folders which are created. So I will click on it and delete them. Now the complete DaVinci Resolve I remove. I will remove I will also do the same with the control panel. Do a scan again. It will delete everything from the system. Now the complete DaVinci Resolve has gone from my system. I saved some space also. I will delete Blender also. So I will click on uninstall, do the same thing, continue, and remove. See, we have Blackmagic raw component is here, that also need to be removed. So the process is pretty straightforward. You click on uninstall. If you want to keep the system restore, keep it check, else continue. Simply once the uninstall is complete, you click on scan to delete everything. It will save you from pain of deleting all folders and everything manually by looking into it and trying to find everything. Okay, so this is how we use Revo Uninstaller to delete and uninstall a program completely from your hard drive without losing any traces. I am using this application since a long time, and it is actually a time saver way to uninstall applications securely and safely. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will meet you in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.